Good morning, everyone. Class, today we are going to start with your data structure chapter. Data structure, in which first thing that we are going to learn about the queues. Queues in Python. Very simple concept. See this. Implementation is little bit you can say complex, but the concept is quite simple. Queue is the collection of object supported by first in first out FIFO. In this, elements can be arranged in a list or a array. You know about the list. Array is not in your syllabus, so we will study with the help of this list. In this, if you are in a queue, you all know this is first in a queue, this is second in a queue, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now suppose these are the list elements and they are standing in a queue. Now suppose you are standing in certain queue to purchase something. The first person who has entered first will get the thing first and will leave. Similarly, second person will take the thing and will leave. Now if we talk about adding in a queue, next person will come in ninth position only, means at the last. After that, this will become the first position, then this will become second position, third and so on. After that, when this first position person will get the thing, this will become the first position. So class, this is the implementation that we are going to do. Now this is the first position, this is second position, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. If any person want to stand in a queue, will come from this side. And if any person will want to leave the queue and suppose they are standing to purchase something, they will leave from here because he is the first to get the thing and he will move. So this is the front and this is the rear part of it. We call it a front part and this we call a rear part. In queue, in rear part, people will get added, or you can say if in terms of computer, item will get added in this and deletion of item will be from this point. When this will get deleted, this will become first, this will become second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth and so on. When this will move, this will become first position, second, third, fourth and fifth. According to the list, now talking about according to the list, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. When any item will be deleted from the front, this will become 0, this will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any item will be added from here, that will be the sixth position. Now the rear part is 6 here and front part is this one. Suppose we are having an item 12, 13, 11, 17. These are the items. This item will get deleted and this here the item will get added. This position, then this position, then this position, then after that this position. Now in Python, when we are going to study about this queue, we will fix the number of item that should get inserted in a list. We will make the maximum of it. Suppose 10 element, so we will give the validation that 10 element should be there. Suppose next element people want to add, then it should give overflow. Word use is overflow. And suppose all the items got deleted and further people want to delete, means no item is there in the list, then we call it a underflow. Underflow. Overflow means you cannot add any more, this message will get display. Underflow means you cannot delete any more because no item left in the list. It's a empty list now. So class, see, I have already created a program and this is the output of that program, in which I will allow the user either to delete or to insert or to display. So first choice that I have taken is 2. Then it will ask for how many maximum element you want. Then it will give you, it will enter 5. I have entered 5, sorry. Then element to be entered is 3, that I have entered. Now do you wish to continue it? I have entered this y. Again they have given us the choices. So again I have entered 2 choice, maximum element 5. Next time element I have entered is 8. Do you wish to continue? Again I have entered another value. Now you see, now I have given choice 3. 3 element I have inserted, that was 3, 8, then 4. Now it is added in the queue. Now I want to delete. For delete choice is 1. So which will get deleted? The first element will get deleted. It is showing that first one is deleted. Now again I have displayed by using the choice 3. You can see that now in list 8 and 4 is left. So class, this is the implementation that we have to do. Now how I am going to do it? I have made 3 functions, one for delete, one for insert, one for display. I have to always delete element from the 0 position. So I have written pop. If you remember, pop is a function which will not only delete, it will also display the element deleted. So I have used this pop. Now after doing this pop, what is happening? I am displaying that pop also. Now in X it is getting saved, after that I am deleting. Now in insert, I have asked the user to enter the element to be inserted. L was my list that I have given in parameter. In L, this element ELE will get added and it will return the value. It will return the I. And the last function is to display. Display method you all know. Simply give L, list will get display. So this is quite easy to make the functions. But the thing is the main part of it. In main part, first of all, I have taken one list, empty list. Choice by default I have taken Y, CH, and choices to be entered by the user. I have given 3 choices, that is delete, insert and display. CH I have used for this while loop. If CH is Y, then it should continue. If CH is other character than Y, it should not. So first of all, by default I have given Y, so it will run and it will ask the user which option you want. Then choice user will enter. Suppose user enter 1, then it is for the deletion. Now I have given the choice 1, then it will check first list is empty or not. If length of the list is 0, it means it is a empty. But if it is not empty, then delete, and it will directly go to this function, delete function, and it will pop the first element. But if it is length is 0, then it will give you underflow. Result will be underflow कि क्यू में कुछ भी नहीं है या लिस्ट में कुछ भी नहीं है, लिस्ट खाली है, तो वो फर्दर डिलीट नहीं कर सकता. नाउ चॉइस टू, एल्स इफ आई हैव गिवन चॉइस टू कि अगर लेंथ मैक्सिमम से छोटी है तो इंसर्ट हो सकता है, और अगर लेंथ मैक्सिमम से कम है, मैक्सिमम के बराबर है, तो अब फर्दर उसमें कुछ भी एंटर नहीं हो सकता. दैट इज़ अंडर ओवरफ्लो, दैट आई हैव टोल्ड यू प्रीवियसली in that figure. And the last thing is choice 3, simple display. And if user do not enter 1, 2 or 3, user enter 4, then it should give wrong choice. At last, to continue, if you wish to continue, do you wish to continue? If you enter y or small y, then again this while loop will continue from here. From here again it will ask the same thing. Again that it will go according to the choice. If you have given one choice, this one, two choice, second one, this one, three choice, this one, and four choice, four and more choice, it will give wrong choice to you. So class, this is very important. This will come in your practical examination, either stack or queue. Second thing that we are going to study today is the queue only, stack only, stack in Python. Now class, in this first, last in, first out, LIFO. In this list, we will use array, as we have not done. Array is not in your syllabus. List we have done. In list we will implement. In this, how's the implement? It is something like this. Suppose this is a container. You have inserted one element that we call a push, then another element, then another element, then another element. It is the push of it. Now, if we talk about pop, means deleting. Push is here inserting, pop is here is deleting. Now, if we pop the operation, then the top one will get deleted obviously, क्योंकि ये कंटेनर है, ये नीचे से नहीं निकलेगा, ये सबसे ऊपर से निकलेगा. उसमें क्या हो रहा था, इन क्यू में क्या था, एक के पीछे एक लगे थे. पहले वाले को हम डिलीट कर सकते हैं और पीछे से हम लोग ऐड कर सकते हैं. इस वाले में क्या हो सकता है, हम ऐड तो ऐसे ही करेंगे, लेकिन जो डिलीट है वो लास्ट वाला ही हो सकता है. दैट वी कॉल अ स्टैक ऑपरेशन. सो क्लास सी my see the output of my program, how it should work. First of all, I have entered the stack limit कि how many element it's to be inserted. जैसे वहाँ पे maximum दिया था, वही चीज़ है, same thing है. You can do in that also queue limit like. After that, user have entered one choice. तो one choice में क्या देना चाहिए, stack is underflow, क्योंकि अभी तक हमने कुछ उसमें डाला ही नहीं है, insert ही नहीं किया है, यानी push नहीं किया है. फिर यूज़र ने डाला कि yes wish to continue. अब क्या होगा, यूज़र ने डाला टू चॉइस, तो अब एलिमेंट टू बी इंसर्टेड एंटर किया, फिर यूज़र ने यस किया, फिर एलिमेंट टू बी इंसर्टेड किया, फिर यूज़र ने यस किया, फिर एलिमेंट ये मैंने रॉन्ग चॉइस डाल के दिखाया है. आई हैव शोन यू. अगर इफ़ एनीबडी डू नॉट एंटर 1 2 3 देन व्हाट शुड हैपन. 9 में क्या आ गया, रॉन्ग चॉइस आ गया. इफ़ नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइम अगेन विश टू कंटिन्यू, यस, इसमें 2 डाला, 9 इंसर्ट कराया, तो उसने क्या दिया, उसने फिर उसके बाद पूछा कि यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू, तो यस वी विश टू कंटिन्यू. Now if we enter 2 choice, 3 element we have already inserted. Now if we enter 2 again, means I want to insert one more element, it will give you overflow. Stack is overflow. If we give choice 3, it will display the element. If we give choice 1, it will delete the element. Now again you wish to continue, yes, and I have given the choice 3. Now the element is this. Previously, what was the element? 5, 7, 9. I think there is some mistake. It should give 5 and 7. Okay, I will correct it. So it should give 5 and 7. 9 should be deleted. So class, this is the implementation. Here I have given delete 0 position. It is wrong. We have to give, we have to calculate the length, and here we should give n minus 1. Before that you will give one statement, n is equals to length of L, and here you will give, in place of 0 you will give, do remember this thing while writing the program, in place of 0 you write n minus 1. Now the functions that I have made is pop and push. In stack we call it a pop and push. Pop means to delete, push means to insert. Again the same process, here only the changes that you have to make I have told you. This is same process, element added. This is the same process to display. Same process here also. First of all, by default, to run the while loop, I have given ch is equals to y, list empty list, choice by default 0, enter the maximum stack limit, suppose 3. Now again when this while loop will run, it will ask you the choices, which choice you want to delete, you want to insert, you want to display. Same thing, same method here also, no difference. Same method here also. So class, only difference that you will make, that in pop here you will write n is equals to length of L, and here you will write, in place of this 0 you will write n minus 1. Rest of the thing is same. So class, you have to do this stack and queue. If any problem is there still, you can contact me and you can ask me for the explanation again. That's all class.